Look at Nana. Say hi, Abuelito.
Hi, Tito.
Say I love you.
Hello.
He's like, okay, when are you going to take the picture?
And here's Xavier. His mommy is holding him. Look at me, Mommy. Oh, Xavier's tired. Oh, Alex is waving. Say hi. It's a movie.
Hi.
Say hi. Wave again. Say hi.
Hi.
He's not quite knowing how to work this.
Why are you on your camera?
Because I can't figure out how to work the camcorder. I'm taking a movie of Alex. Alex is running away from me. Come back. Alex. Alex. Alex is showing off.